Are you looking to make your first money online? Maybe you've tried hundreds of money-making ideas and none of them have worked. Maybe it's just too complicated, or maybe you're unsure where to begin due to a national restriction. In this video, I'll show you how to earn $30 per hour working from home. This is a true passive income method that doesn't require any investment. It's one of the simplest methods to earn money online and generates an extra $500 to $1,000 each month. So prepare yourselves because this is gonna be amazing. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So first of all, you will need to come over to this goldmine for making money online, which is a brand new website that we never talked about on this channel, called cjinc.info, also known as Creative Jobs. This is available worldwide, so no matter where you're coming from, you can make money with this website. United States, Philippines, India, Singapore, Canada, or Australia, it doesn't matter. Anyone can use this website and make money for free. As you can see, they will pay you for your time. It's all absolutely free to join, no investment needed. Now, there are many other methods to make money with this website, but there will be one single thing that you will be doing right here that will make you the most money without you having to do any of the hard work yourself. You can also focus on market research, typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching if you want to make even more money and maximize your results while the software or bot does the work for you. You can earn even more money that way, but it's entirely optional. But even with just one specific category that the software will handle for you, you can still make a decent amount of money every day. Finally, there are testimonials from people all around the world who have made money with this website in the past over here. This is a brand new website on this channel, and as I previously stated, we never mentioned it, but it has been online for quite some time. In fact, since 2014, indicating that it is a really good website as people have been using it for years. Now go to the official homepage and hover your mouse over the career section, and it'll give you a list of several jobs that you can complete on this website to earn money. Now, if you go to the career tab, you'll see all of these different categories like online paid survey jobs, online and offline typing jobs, online teaching jobs, online ad publishing jobs, and so on. However, in this video, we'll just focus on online proofreading tasks, which pay between $5 and $10 every 1,000 words. All you're doing is fixing grammatical errors, spelling errors, and factual inaccuracies. You just have to complete the task of correcting grammatical faults, but don't worry, you don't need to be an English expert, proficient in English, or anything else, since the free bot that I'll share with you will take care of everything. So you just copy and paste the article into the software, and the software will do all the work for you. Then you just go back here and collect your earnings. You can do it again and again, and I will explain to you exactly how this works. For now though, just click on the online proofreading job so you can read more about it. That way, you will learn how it works, the job nature, the job rates, and exactly how much they'll pay you. You can earn $5 to $10 per page or every 1,000 words as a proofreader. So one article page can pay you up to $10, and I've seen some jobs with up to 30 pages per article, which means you could earn up to $300 for a single job that you didn't have to do because the program does all the work for you. Here's an example of an article you should proofread after applying for a job on this website. So you'll get something like this. You can view this document by opening it. This article is around 3 pages long, so if I finish this job, I could earn up to $30. Now, what you simply need to do is just copy this entire article and paste it into the software. But before we go to that software, which is an absolutely free tool that will do all the work for you, I need to show you how to actually apply for a job and where to actually get this article. So what you need to do is go over to this page, cjinc.info, proofreading job, then you need to scroll down a little bit and click on apply for jobs right here. And then click on Download Application Form so you can have this registration form, which you'll need to complete. You'll need to choose a job, and your current job will be proofreading, so choose proofreading jobs right here. Then, enter your first and last names in this box, as well as your email address in this box. You also have to provide your email address so that they can give you future job opportunities. After that, enter your birthday, gender, and marital status. You'll also need to add your phone number here so that they can contact you if there are any new job openings. Enter your country here, and as I said, it makes no difference where you come from. You can enter any country you want. Here's the thing. If you want to maximize your results and you want to get more jobs to complete so you can earn more money on this website, what I recommend you do is select Employed and Freelancer here where it says Current Profession Status. I strongly advise you to choose Employed and Freelancer because they will give you more jobs. If you select Unemployed, it may suggest that you're lazy and that you're not working and that you will not be sent those jobs to finish. So the best option is to select Employed and Freelancer. Then, when it comes to working hours, I highly suggest you to select both 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. as well as 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. since you don't have to finish the job yourself, so you're pretty much available all day. As I said, completing a task takes less than a minute or less than 60 seconds, so you can do it whenever and wherever you want. That means you don't have to sit in front of your computer all day. You can go wherever you want. And if you get an email from them offering you a job, all you have to do is copy the text, paste it into the software, and the software will do the rest. Then you simply come back to collect your earnings. For this over here, I recommend you choose several companies since you want to work with as many as possible in order to make more money. Then simply choose your favorite payment method. It is completely up to you how you want to be paid. I personally prefer PayPal, so I would just select PayPal and then I would enter my PayPal email address so they can pay me directly over there. After that, just hit submit and you're done. You have completed the form and now you will start receiving those jobs, which will look something like this. So they've sent you an article, but how do you go about correcting the grammatical errors? Before we answer that, let me know what country you're from in the comments so I can make more videos specific to your location. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So once again, just go through the entire article, then copy it. Just highlight the entire text, right-click on it, and then click Copy. After that, come over to this website, SlickWrite. This is an absolutely free bot that will do all of the hard work for you. It'll correct all those grammatical errors for you in just seconds. As you can see right here, check your grammar in seconds. SlickWrite is a powerful, free application that makes it easy to check your writing for grammar errors, potential stylistic mistakes, and other features of interest. The grammar checker is lightning fast. You simply paste your text and it takes care of the rest, leaving you to collect your earnings from creative jobs. So just go to SlickWrite and sample the demo if you want to and watch the video to see how it works, or go straight to writing and start making money right away. Basically, all you have to do is paste the article into this box. You can just upload and place the file here if they've sent it to you. Alternatively, I can simply right-click and paste the entire article. Here's my entire project on the screen. Now I'll simply scroll down a little and click continue right here. Now I'll just wait for the bot to take care of everything. As you can see, it has done all of the work and highlighted all of the grammar errors as well as anything I can modify to repair the spelling and all of the mistakes. So that was the first bot that would do your work for you for free. Grammarly is the second program you can use. You can also go to Google and type in Grammarly Proofreading, which will bring you to this page where you can paste your content into this box. This will also highlight all of the errors. It'll correct them for you if you try to correct them. As you can see, instead of yet, you can click on wait and it's gonna immediately correct that for you. Now you can go to the second word, click on that, and it's also gonna correct it, so you can just do your clicking right here. As you can see, all of this takes less than a minute to complete. After you're done, you can just copy this entire article, go back to Creative Jobs, submit your project, and you can get paid anywhere from like $10 up to $200 or even $300 per job completed, and it was as simple as copy-pasting some text. So to summarize, when you apply for a job at cjinc.info, you get an article that looks something like this. You then use some of these programs that I've shared with you in this video, paste your article over here, these programs correct all of the grammar errors, you then copy the entire corrected article, go back to this website, then paste it, and you collect your earnings. Anyone can do it since no experience is required. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to wait for sales to come in. It isn't affiliate marketing at all. It's just one of the simplest ways to generate money online. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.